Remember, we always have to protect our block. We couldn't strapless around the cities.
But brother, we violate our orders. We did have to set it right. I fed them that, you know.
Boy, it make if a one time would get dark and ignorant over sensible thing. But you see where dog say we have to pick sense out of nonsense. You hear that?
It is of a point still, you know. Because we can't wire the feds. But you see a friendship we have with them. Never expect them to do with that.
Did I look into that still in a Butcha? Because I had an idea them left with stranded.
Brother, you have to trust me, you know. I think we did want the black left stranded. But you see, anytime you're in a lion mouth, you have to take time, dry it out. Always remember that.
Boy, it is, I realize that now. You see, link when we did make. And if I'm free will, we make it off.
So how I go on?
Butcha, I don't buy them by you out.
Should I know better than that it is? A stick me get stick up.
Stick up! You're not even link we make we go dig up how we dig up.
Dig up what? Where they go dig up? Remember them take away everything from me, brother. I saw the boy Siva get for running for me.
Siva?
Wait, what you say?
So, Siva you did a link with, brother?
Can't believe this bad man.
Never feel it, brother. I'm going to get the man stick me up. And that's me I look up in now.
So that's why them time when me I come my studio come link you move so shaky. All of them things they have a hide.
You see what go on? You be down there eat. Feds are look for you. Make some wrong moves still. Because back of my head, me just want some tool on the ground. And he could have get me that.
Brother, so you did a live. So much things did I go on, bad man. And you're not even going to link with.
Yeah, I'm going to link you, Vicious. Maybe if me have you to talk to more to make the wrong move. But you did find love, bro. You don't want to change your life, you. You see it is. Boy, I mean, think the police them get to you.
So Butcha, when me call the peace meeting and tell us more you forward, I want to make you do that move, sir.
No, this is the hard part. Boy, start full up me with a bag of things it is. You see, true, I get me the machine them. And start telling me, say, me fair on the block.
You fear run the block. So that's what I leave me, brother.
Wanna do it, brother. That's why I eat that come from.
Judge. Yo, hit me, I can watch now. Sure, you can do me a favor. You know, so me go want you run off a juice bar for me still. Bartender not come in yet. But when you feel leave again? Later we talk about that. Hello, Wagwan.
Wagwan Lando.
There, man. How you dealing?
Manchester check in. All the bar ago. You're under pressure?
No, you know, I'm good, man. Everything I run smooth, you know?
Oh. After today, you're not gonna have no problem. Me just did I get some things for my son.
That cool, man. Remember we done talk about that, you know? You have to just do what you have to do, you know?
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Alright, then. Be right, kid.
Yo, Vicious, how are you there?
But there, the bar.
Which one I bar them there?
Bar on my block.
Alright. I'll come link you.
Ah.
Yeah, whisper.
Yo, you there on your block?
No, I'm not there on my block, you know. I'm there on a Vicious bar.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Alright. Vicious, how did it?
There, my bro, man. How you dealing? So how you look so bad, man? How you dealing?
There, brother. I've got a couple things from my mind, you know.
Boy, I want to tell you, say, all of we no bad, man. But you have to go and hold them, you know?
Why hit me I do, man? But me just come from over high school, you know. I want to tell you, say, the teacher tell me say registration low. 11 people in that class and I only 3 of them register.
3 pitney alone. That can't go hurt, brother.